How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. First, I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, and if you watch these videos and enjoy them, by all means, please subscribe. Well, today is finally the day I've been looking forward to for a long time. I've been real busy around here for a retired guy, and my own projects I've had to put on the side for a while. So we're finally to the point where I can take this motor apart, which you can see behind me. And so today, that's what we're going to start on. So we're going to do this in a couple of segments rather than one long segment, so you can see it come apart piece by piece. So we'll get right to it. Now, this is a 2005 88 twin cam. This is out of the Heritage that we got and we took apart. And I've already taken the rocker cover bolts out and things like that, kind of expedite everything. Now, when I took these rocker boxes off, I was extremely surprised. Everything in here is new. I mean, I know the guy that had it for about 8-10 years, but he didn't ride it a lot. But all this stuff is new on both sides. So I was shocked to see this. I did not expect this at all. So now this leads me to believe this motor may have been rebuilt or it had new heads put on it, but at any rate, these rockers are new on both sides. And you can see in there the rockers are new, the breather's new, and it's on both heads. So we're going to go ahead and get this stuff off of here. And we're going to take a look at this, then we're going to pull the push rods, and then we're going to pull the cam cover, because I have no idea what is behind that cam cover, and finding this leads to bigger questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill the camera while I unbolt all this, and then I'll show you taking all this stuff off. Okay, now I loosened up the rockers and the rest of the rocker covers. So we're going to take this stuff off. I killed the camera because I didn't figure you guys wanted to watch me pulling the rockers off. Muggs, relax, buddy. I'm doing a video here, Muggs. I know you want to be right part of it. And we'll get these bolts out of the breather, and then we'll pull the rocker arms off. Muggs, relax. Go outside. Go outside, buddy. Go bark at the people outside. Don't bark while I'm making videos here. This one's a little bit crooked. There we go. Yeah, we've got warmer weather or cooler weather here today. It's overcast, no sun. It's great compared to the 100+ temperatures that we've had. Okay, now we can take and pull this right off of here. This is all brand new. All of it. I mean, this had virtually no miles on it. Very few miles. I mean, I know the guy who wrote it, but he didn't ride it very much. There's hardly normal slack in the rockers. And if you look at it, I mean, these are not worn badly at all. So this is definitely an unexpected surprise. We get these are the last ones that come out. I didn't figure you guys wanted to see me breaking all this stuff loose. And these are the push rods. Again, these look new. I mean, there's hardly any wear on these at all. I am completely shocked at this. I'm guessing this guy bought this bike after the motor was rebuilt. And which leaves me wondering what the problem may be. You can see there, that's a brand new gasket. Just peels right off of there. Now we're going to kind of move over to the other side and do the same thing with the other side. Okay, now we got the camera moved. We're going to pull these out on this side. I don't know if you can hear the wind outside. We're supposed to get rain today. Yeah, I've been waiting a long time to get to this. About 6 months. But I've been so busy and I keep forgetting I'm retired. This is the same thing. This stuff is all new. Every bit of it. So, which shocks me. Oh, we got to take these bolts out. Well, I loosened all this stuff up, and the reason I did that was for time's sake, because these videos take time. And again, brand new gasket under there. That's brand new. And there's the push rods. Again, I don't see any excessive wear at all. I mean, again, these look brand new to me. So this is a surprise. So now we're going to take and go to the cam cover, and we're going to pull the cam cover off and see what we got under there, because I have no idea what this engine has. So you're going to be surprised as well as I am, or at least we're going to see it at the same time. Okay, now we're going to get this cam cover off of here. I got a tray under here because I know there's going to be oil in here. How much, I don't know. I don't know if this thing was something or not. I'm going to get all these Allens out of here. And I'm as anxious to see what's in here, because I don't know if it's got a stock cam plate, if it's been upgraded, if it's got the original spring tensioners that these models came with. I just don't know. But when I first got this bike, I did a compression test on it, and I think the rear cylinder had like 65 pounds of compression in it. I mean, it was... So if somebody rebuilt this, There may be something that's broken in there, wasn't put in right. I don't know. So we'll find out. 2 more. Two more to go, and then my question gets answered of what kind of cam plate this is in this thing. Because I'm dying to know. And I'm wondering if somebody upgraded it. Let's see, well, let's come off of here. Oh, look at the oil. Yeah, that's not too bad. Yeah. It's an original cam plate. This is the original. And yeah, it wasn't sumping. Got a little oil out of there, but not much. Not as much as I've seen others get, but everything is all original in this. Obviously, these have been changed. The tensioners have been changed. But that's definitely an original cam plate. Okay, now I want to see what kind of wear is on this tensioner. Get that out of the way. Get my arm out of the way. Let's see. Yeah, it's got some wear on it, but nothing drastic. So that answers that question. And let's see if we got any metal or anything in the bottom here. Nope, I'm not getting any metal out of it, which is an excellent sign. I'm going to take that off of there. And then we'll take the push rod tubes off. Come on. There we go. There's one. Well, this one's tough. There it goes. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. You're almost there. There we go. That's two. Let me get the next one out. That's that one. One more to go. And this is probably going to be the toughest one. There it is. Come on. There we go. Okay. So there's the push rod tubes out. We're going to call it quits for today. So I hope this video helps somebody on how to do this. And till next time, everybody be safe out there.